Well, here we are. It's Friday, March 24th. The sun's out, and we're going to get a little break in the weather. And I don't know about you, but I'm really tired of the rain. And if I hear the word drought one more time, I think I'm going to slit somebody's wrists. At any rate, it's a beautiful Friday morning, and there's a lot of things going on right now. Been working, inclement weather created opportunities to sit at my computer and catch up on some projects that I've been sorely neglected. And hopefully all the results of all that hard work will come out shortly. The big news, of course, is what's going on up at our hospital, and I hope to get a catch-up on that today. And there's some other things going on around town that need a little attention. Been working on my chronicle projects and historical files. You know, it's funny. I've been working on these historical records the birds are celebrating. I've been working on these historical records for quite some time. And it's kind of an interesting perspective I hope to share. I spent too much time digging around and not getting done, and I was sharing my progress with Leroy, and unfortunately he passed away before I had the finished product to show him. I'm pretty sure he's paying attention and marking my progress. At any rate, enjoy the spring weather. Next weekend we're going to get more rain, of course. There's still atmospheric rivers in our forecast, and baby birds are looking to get down and graze. They like to roam around in the grass, and I'm going to let them this morning. They deserve it. They put up with a lot of inclement weather these past week or two. At any rate, you guys be safe out there. Enjoy the weather, this little break, and I hope you're all doing well. I've heard some horror stories about people and snow damage and trees and whatnot. It's been kind of rugged around here. I hope you're doing okay. Bye-bye.